Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to fix Siri not listening to Hey Siri. So if you say Hey Siri and you discover that your Siri is not listening to Hey Siri except you say Siri, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to fix Siri not listening to Hey Siri is go to your iPhone settings. And on the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Siri on iOS 18. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, click on Siri and search. So click on Siri. And here, you need to click on Talk to Siri on iOS 18. Once you click on Talk to Siri, here you have few options available. There is Siri or Hey Siri or off. Now, if you set this to Hey Siri, then if I just say Siri, Hey Siri, Siri will only respond to Hey Siri. And if you have it set to Siri only, then Siri will only respond to Siri and it will not respond to Hey Siri. Now, to fix Siri not listening to Hey Siri, all you just need to do is select Siri or Hey Siri. So once you show Siri or Hey Siri, you can just hit the back button. And then when next you want to communicate with Siri, you can just say, Hey Siri, what's the today's date?
It's Tuesday, October 1st, 2024.
Hey Siri, can you tell me more about iPhone 16?
Here's some info about iPhone 16.
You see that? So Siri will start responding to Siri as well as Hey Siri. So that is basically how to fix Siri not listening to Hey Siri. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.